Hello, everyone. My name is Beary White, and I'm a polar bear. Today, I would like to show you how to make a 3D snowflake. Oh, I do love the cold. I love it so much that I want to make a snowflake with you. That way, you can keep it no matter how warm it gets.
To make this snowflake, you will need white or color paper, color pencils, ruler, pencil, scissors, glue, and optional glitter. The first thing you'll need is a hexagon. To make a hexagon, follow these instructions. You will need to make a square first, bringing the bottom left corner to the right top to make a triangle. Cut the extra part off the paper. Then unfold, and now you're going to fold it in half, meeting the corners, and then fold inwards on both sides, on both ends of the paper. Now go ahead, pull the right corner to the right side of the folded sheet, then the left bottom corner to the left side of the folded part of the sheet. Upside down, do the same exact thing. Now unfold them and fold the paper in half backwards. Now pull the right bottom corner to the right folded part and then the left side too. Now pull the inner part of the folded sheet to the right folded slot there. This is the inside of the paper, not the outer edges. Same thing for the left side. Now, unfold it. Now you can go ahead and mark the corners and now draw the line. See? Now you can already see the hexagon. Now go ahead, you can either go ahead and cut it out if you can see it clearly, or pencil it out to make it more visible for yourself. Now go ahead and fold in half and then half again to cut it out, or you can simply just cut by the line that you just drew. But I noticed the pattern, and if you unfold it, there it is. There's your hexagon. Now you are ready to use this as the tracer for your snowflake. Place this hexagon template on a new white sheet of paper and trace it out. Now that you have your hexagon, go ahead and cut it out. If this is a white sheet of paper, you can choose to color it now or leave it as it is. It will be a little difficult later to color it after when you have made your snowflake cuts. Now here I am folding the hexagon in half. Now to get the middle, I am going to fold this again in half, meaning the right bottom corner to the left bottom corner. This will give me that little pinch I need in the center. Now I'm going to bring my right bottom corner to my left top corner. This will give me a nice upside down triangle. And now I'm going to bring my left bottom corner to my top right corner. And now you'll have a nice little cone here. Squeeze that fold in half to make a triangle. Smooth it all out. And just remember, this right here is the opening. So remember that when you fold it. And now I'm going to fold it just one more time in half. And now we're going to go ahead and start cutting out some shapes. The easiest shape you could do is cut out little triangles. So you can, right now I'm going to show you, I'm just drawing it out, the triangles, but you can just cut it out freehand. But right here, I just want to show you guys, this is where I'm going to spread it all out, my little triangles. It gets bigger and bigger as I go up. Now make sure not to go all the way through. You don't want to cut this apart in half entirely, just little cuts. You may need to pull out the little triangles after you make your cut slots. So I would recommend doing about 3 to 4 of these little triangles. Spread them nicely, giving space in between them to make sure it's not cut off entirely. Now you can start unfolding. And now you see all of these cutouts all around the hexagon. Now what you're going to do is cut inside the lines. You see these lines here that are far away from our little triangles? You're going to cut in about 2 inches deep. About 2 inches, so 2 to 3 inches will do. This will allow us to fold up the paper later to make the 3D part of the snowflake. And just to show you guys, I'm going to use my ruler here and see it's about 2.5 inches. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but yeah, about 2 to 3 inches. Not cutting it all the way to the center. Now go ahead and start making a cone out of the bottom right corners. See, this is how you fold in the left first and then the right. And this is where you're going to end up gluing it together so that it stays that way. You're going to do that for each of these slots. Now you remember when I told you to color it before? Well, if you didn't then, you can color it now, but it will be difficult as you have already made little holes in your sheet, so it'll be much harder to cut. But if you want to, you can go ahead and do so. That's what I'm going to do here, because I forgot to color it in. Oh well, you learn from your mistakes. This will take a while, so I'm going to go ahead and actually fast forward. Here we go. I'm almost done. See here, I can see the blue. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is glue it together. So add a little drop on this side, and then I'm going to pull over the left side flap on top of the glue. I'm experiencing some technical difficulties here, trying to get glue out of the bottle. Squeeze! There we go. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add my drops now. So just add a little dollop of glue on each right side of the triangle. Each right side. Now I'm going to fold my left side to the top of my right side. There we go. And squeeze it, hold it for maybe a few seconds to a minute so it stays in place. And don't worry about the other glue spots, it will stay there as long as you don't touch it on anything. Now I'm on to my next one, and continue on until you get them all done. Once you are done, you can go ahead and start straightening out to make sure it's all even and not lopsided. And that is how you make a 3D snowflake.
I hope you have enjoyed making your snowflake. Remember, you can decorate yours in so many ways and make as many as you like. Enjoy! Bye-bye!
Ooh, and don't forget to fill out our program survey after completing this program. We appreciate your feedback here at SJPL. You can also follow us on our website or on social media. See the description box for more details. Have a great day and stay healthy. Bye-bye.